Hello everyone. Now we are going to complete October 17 to 23rd first part. Indian Army team gold medal at 2021 mm, Cambrian petrol exercise. Indian Army team gold medal at 2021 Cambrian petrol exercise. 5th Gurkha Rifles Frontier Force represent Indian Army at the event. Paras Mahabre Paras Mahambre, bowling coach Paras, Paras, Rahul Dravid, uh, India's head coach, succeeding Ravi Shastri. Global TB report, WHO, India worst hit 41% of the total case drop in 2020. 1 crore penalty by RBI on SBI. Fraud classification and reporting of commercial banks. Chairman of Karnataka Bank, Pradeep Kumar Panja. Chairman of Karnataka Bank, Pradeep Kumar Panja. Alexander Schellenberg appointed new Chancellor of Australia, Vienna, Euro. Alexander appointed as a new Chancellor of Australia. SFB, Small Finance Bank, Jana Small Finance Bank, Durva, E-Dairy Solutions. Jana Small Finance Bank, Durva, E-Dairy Solutions. Bengaluru and MD CEO Ajay. Our future is at hand. Let's move forward together. 15th October Global Hand Washing Day. Our future is at hand. Let's move forward together. 15th October Global Hand Washing Day. Henrietta Locks, WHO Director General Award. Henrietta Locks, WHO Director General Award. My Parking App, South Delhi Municipal Corporation. My Parking App, South Delhi Municipal Corporation. SEBI 4-member committee, Vijay Daga, on settlement orders and compounding offences. SEBI 4-member committee. SEBI 4-member committee, Vijay Daga. Lucy mission launched by NASA, Trojan asteroids. Thomas Cup, Indonesia defeating China. Thomas Cup, Indonesia defending China. Adani Port, Tiruvananthapuram, Kerala Airport takeover. Adani Port, Tiruvananthapuram, Kerala Airport takeover. Sajjan Jindal, Chairman of World Steel Association. Sajjan Jindal, Chairman of World Steel Association, headquarter Brunei, Belgium. World Steel Association. Council on Energy, Environment, Water. India has increased total installed solar power capacity to 5630 megawatt by 2070 to achieve net zero emission. 5630 megawatt by 2017. Khadi exhibition and Khadi Kargil Sammelan, Varanasi. Khadi exhibition, Khadi Kargil Sammelan, Varanasi. UK annual intermilitary exercise, Indian Army, Gorkha Rifles won gold in exercise Cambrian Petrol 2021. We have already discussed this news. South Asian Federation Cross Country Championship, SACCC. South Asian Federation Cross Country Championship, SSCC 2022, 56th National Cross Country Commission at Kohima, Nagaland. 56th National Cross Country Championship. 56th National Cross Country Championship held at Kohima, Nagaland. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Shefi Kidwai. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Shefi Kidwai. Avi Barrett, an Indian cricketer. Vodafone Idea L&T to test 54 based smart city solution. Vodafone Idea L&T to test 5G based smart city solution. RBI Centrum plus BharatPe. RBI Centrum plus BharatPe, Unity Small Finance Bank. RBI Centrum plus BharatPe, Unity Small Finance Bank. India related UNHCR 2224 76 UNGA UNHCR African State Asia Pacific Group Eastern European. India related UNHCR India re-elected as a UNHCR member for 2022 to 2024 at 76th UNGA meeting. CSK won IPL 2021 fourth time. CSK Chennai Super Kings won IPL fourth time. T20 World Cup UAE Oman. T20 World Cup held at UAE Oman. ICC plus UNICEF Child and Adolescents Mental Health Awareness. SBN Bank Vested Finance Vested Direct to Transfer Forex. SBN Bank Vested Finance SBN Bank Vested Finance. Sona Comstar per partner with Sona Comstar partner with NASSCOM Digital Skill of Employees. Sona Comstar partner with NASSCOM Digital Skill Employee. NASSCOM headquarter Noida through Future Skill Prime. NASSCOM headquarter Noida. Debjani Ghosh CEO MD. BNP Paribas Open held at Indian Wells USA. BNP Paribas Open held at Indian Wells USA. Novak Djokovic Serbia ATP ranking top. John Peers Australia and Philip Polasek Slovenia men's double title. John and Philip men's double. Alice Belgium Su Wei Taiwan women's double. Paula from Spain won women's single championship. RBI authorized Karur Vysya Bank to collect direct tax on CBDT on behalf of CBDT. RBI authorized Karur Vysya Bank to collect direct tax on behalf of CBDT. The headquarters is Karur Vysya Bank. Rank is Tamil Nadu and Ramesh Babu. CEO MD. ADB $100 billion climate financings to member countries by 2030. ADB $100 billion climate financings to member countries. ADB $100 billion climate finance to member countries by 2030. ISRO Niti Aayog launch Geospatial Energy in May of India. ISRO Niti Aayog launch Geospatial Energy. पंजाब मेरा घर मेरा नाम. प्रॉपर्टी कार्ड संदेश. Samsung Electronics top among 750 global corporates awards. Best employers. Samsung Electronics Best Employer Award. Forbes. Bhupendra Yadav link-minded developing countries. Preparations for COP26 on climate change, expedition and challenges. Bhupendra Yadav link-minded developing countries. Remotely piloted aircraft system RPAS insurance for drone owners launched by Tata AIG General Insurance. Tropogo. Remotely piloted aircraft system insurance for drone owners launched by Tata AIG General Insurance. Tropogo. Saral Bharat Bima Plan. India first life insurance OTC other than collision RRB. Saral Bharat Bima Plan. India's first life insurance. Saral Bharat Bima Plan OTC other than collision RRB. USD 500 million credit line. USD 500 million credit line Sri Lanka government from India to purchase crude oil. USD 500 million credit line. Bombay Stock Exchange MOU with Business Leadership League to help MSME. Bombay Stock Exchange MOU with Business Leadership. BPCL headquarter Mumbai held 1952. Arun Kumar Singh. BPCL headquarter Mumbai. Arun Kumar Singh 1952. Launch an automated fueling technology called UFill. BPCL UFill. Center for Development and Telematics MOU signed with Railtel Corporation Limited. Corporation in telecom sector in India. Center for Development and of Telematics sign an MOU with Railtel Cooperative Limited. PM of Norway Johnson Gur Store Oslo Kron. PM of Norway Jonas. Oslo is the capital and Kron is the currency. UK organized the ex-Cambrian Petrol. 2021 Earthshot Prize Clean Our Air category Vidyut Mohan. Recycle agriculture waste. 2021 Earthshot Prize Vidyut Mohan. Clean Our Air category. UK conducted maritime dialogue with India. India maritime dialogue to work on Indo-Pacific region. 2021 Article 4 Constitution with India release IMF India GDP 6%. 2021 Article 4 Consultation with India released by IMF. 25 central public sector enterprises were tagged as excellent performance review conducted by Department of Public Enterprises 2019-20. 25 central public enterprises tagline as a excellent performance review conducted by Department of Public Enterprises. Kerala's rail organization sign an MOU with IFSC for enhancement of rail safety. Kerala's rail organization sign an MOU with IFSC enhancement of rail safety. IMF releases Global Financial Stability Report 2021. Kryptonization. IMF releases Global Financial Stability Report. Kryptonization. China launch first solar experiment ZA. 3 astronauts crew name Shenzhou 30 for 6 months aboard its space station. Aboard is space station. President of Indian Weightlifting Federation Sahadev Yadav. President of Indian Weightlifting Federation Sahadev Yadav. Uber Cup China win defeating Japan. MD CEO of CRISIL Amit Mehta. Amish Mehta. Chief Minister of Health for All or GI Hakel G Tengwell Scheme Manipur. Chief Minister of Health for All or GI Hakel G Tengwell Scheme of Manipur. This is the scheme of Manipur. Chief Minister Health for All. Global transport sector needs $49.9 trillion investment to reduce greenhouse gases by 2014 as per report by UN Office for Project Services. UN Office for Project Services releases a report where $49.9 trillion investment to reduce greenhouse gases by 2014. Bettenine BV got approval from CCI to acquire worldwide healthcare BPO services for Hinduja Global Solution. Bettenine BV got approval from CCI to acquire worldwide healthcare BPO services of Hinduja Global Solution. CEF plus ICC on hashtag on your mind campaign. Hashtag on your mind campaign. UNI CEF plus ICC. India's first sports unicorn. Chennai Super King. India's first sports unicorn. Chennai Super King. First Visakhapatnam Vatika. First Vishwakarma Vatika. First Vishwakarma Vatika on Hunar Haat. First Vishwakarma Vatika Hunar Haat at Rampur. Microsoft team winner of CK Prahlad Award for Global Business Sustainability Leadership. Microsoft team winner of CK Prahlad Award for Global Business Sustainability Leadership. Ola acquiring Geospace Next Generation Mobility Services. Ola acquiring Geospace Next Generation Mobility Services. National Stock Exchange India collaboration with Chainflux. National Stock Exchange of India collaborating with Chainflux. Chainflux launch NSE Shine for Gold Bullion Establishment 1992. Vikram Limaya. NSE Shine National Stock Exchange. NSE Shine and National Stock Exchange NSE Shine collaborated with Chainflux. World Sight Day, second Thursday of October. World Sight Day, second Thursday of October. Love your eyes. Love your eyes. Best employer ranking Forbes. Reliance 52nd and Jamsway top. Best employer, Samsung top. Best employer ranking Forbes. We have already covered this news. Best employer ranking Forbes. Reliance 52nd and Samsung top. Oldest person to go to space. William Center. Oldest person to go space. William Center. 2021 La Nucia Open Chess Tournament P. Inian held. 2021 La Nucia Open Chess Tournament P. Inian held at La Nucia, Valencia, Spain. Held at Spain. Crew 3rd NASA SpaceX mission to International Space Station. Crew 3 NASA SpaceX mission to International Space Station. Rajachari. Jammu and Kashmir MOU with UAE Real Estate Development Project. Shenzhou 13 Mission of China 3%. Shenzhou 13 Mission of China 3%. Veer Savarkar book. Uday Mahurkar and Chirayu Pandit. Healthy Smile All India Institute of Medical Science. Healthy Smile All Institute of Medical Science. 16th October World Food Day. 16th October World Food Day. State food for healthy tomorrow. Safe food for healthy tomorrow. World Food Day theme: Safe food for healthy tomorrow. The Stars in My Sky, Divya Datta. The Stars in My Sky, Divya Datta. Indian Council of Medical Research release multilingual dementia research and assessment Mudra Toolbox. Indian Council of Medical Research release a report multilingual dementia research and assessment toolbox Mudra Toolbox in 5 Indian languages. World Students Day 15th October APJ Abdul Kalam Award for Teachers 22 teachers. World Student Day 15th October. World Student Day 15th October. National Institute of Medical Science Delhi launch consortium name One Health for surveillance of zoonotic infections in India. National Institute of Medical Science Delhi launch and consortium name One Health. IMF report Fiscal Monitor strengthening the credibility of public finances. India's debt was projected to rise 90.6%. India debt was projected to rise 90.6%. International Day of Rural Women UN 15th October. 15th October also Student Day. Rural Women Day. Rural Woman. World Energy Outlook report released. International Energy Agency around USD 4 trillion in clean energy investment by 2030 to limit global temperature by 1.5%. First Solar CA China Long March 2D. New chairman and MD of National Research Development Corporation Amit Rastogi. National Research Development Corporation Amit Rastogi. New chairman Lokpriya Gopinath Bardoli. Assam Nirad Kumar Baraho. Lokpriya Gopinath Bardoli. Assam Nirod Kumar Baraho. Department of Biotechnology launched India's first One Health Consortium. Ministry of Science and Technology Jitendra Singh. Department of Biotechnology launched India's first One Health Consortium. Women's Transforming India Award 21-22 Niti Aayog 75 women. RBI Banking Regulation Act 1949 withdraw restrictions on Hindu Cooperative Bank headquarter Pathankot, Punjab. The central government small saving scheme Sukanya 7.6, Senior Citizen 7.4, PPF 7.1, National Savings Certificate 6.8, Central Government interest rate for various schemes. Small Savings Scheme 7.6, Sukanya. Mobile app Fishwale launch by Assam e-fish market. 2021 London Marathon Joycelyn Jepkiosi. 2021 London Marathon Joycelyn. Lokpriya Gopinath Bardoli Award Assam. Kasturba Gandhi National Memorial Trust. Dr. Nirod Kumar Baro. Shillong Chamber Choir. Lokpriya Gopinath Bardoli Award given by Assam government to 3. Kasturba Gandhi, Dr. Nirod Kumar Baro and Shillong Chamber Choir. International Day for Eradication of Poverty observed 17th October. International Day for Eradication of Poverty. NBFC Sanskarshan Trustee Private Limited sign a trustee deed. NBFC Sanskarshan Trustee Private Limited sign a trust deed for 1,000 crore credit guarantee fund trust for FPO. NBFC Sanskarshan Trustee Private Limited trustee deed 1,000 crore. Exercise Yuddha Abhyas 17th edition Indian Army and USA. Exercise Yuddha Abhyas 17th edition Indian Army USA. Chairman of Indian Bank Association Atul Kumar Goel. 49th Mumbai Headquarter Chief Executive Sunil Mehta. Chairman of Indian Bank Association Atul Kumar Goel. 49th. Julius Baer challenges Ramesh Babu. Starnimere BV acquired Global Content Alpha Partner Holdco Private Limited. Starnimere BV acquired Global Content Alpha Partner. Starnier BV acquired Global Content Alpha Partner Holdco Private Limited. Russia signed an MOU with Ministry of Steel to supply cooking coal 300 million tons steel production 2030. Russia signed MOU with Ministry of Steel 300 million tons steel production till 2030. राजस्थान प्रशासन गांव के संघ, राजस्थान प्रशासन गांव के संघ, to provide local access to government services. Onion fly name Allium neganium, चमोली उत्तराखंड. Onion fly name Allium, चमोली उत्तराखंड. Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss 17 to 23 October part 2. Sanjay Bhargava, country direction for the Starlink satellite venture broadband Starlink consultation project SpaceX. Sanjay Bhargava, country direction for the Starlink broadband venture Starlink consultation project SpaceX. संजय भार्गवा SpaceX. फ्यूचर यही है कैंपेन फॉर कॉइन DCX. ब्रांड एम्बेसडर आयुष्मान खुराना. इंडियाज फर्स्ट क्रिप्टो करेंसी एक्सचेंज $1.1 बिलियन. फ्यूचर यही है आयुष्मान खुराना ब्रांड एम्बेसडर. अमित शाह लॉन्च सेवा ही संगठन मोदी वैन्स कुशाम्बी उत्तर प्रदेश. अमित शाह लॉन्च सेवा ही संगठन मोदी वैन्स कुशाम्बी उत्तर प्रदेश. डियरनेस अलाउंस फॉर सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट 28 to 31%. OnePlus elevated Navneet Nakhra as a India CEO. OnePlus elevated Navneet Nakhra CEO. OnePlus Navneet Nakhra. UNDA 40th October. वीर सावरकर उदय महाकरकर एंड चिरायू पंडित. वीर सावरकर अवार्ड उदय एंड चिरायू. उदय एंड चिरायू. जम्मू कश्मीर लॉन्च द क्राइम एंड क्रिमिनल ट्रैकिंग नेटवर्क गो लाइव. जम्मू कश्मीर लॉन्च क्राइम एंड क्रिमिनल ट्रैकिंग नेटवर्क गो एंड लिव. मर्सर CFS ग्लोबल पेंशन इंडेक्स सर्वे इंडिया रैंक 40. मर्सर CFS ग्लोबल पेंशन इंडेक्स सर्वे इंडिया रैंक 40. हेडक्वार्टर न्यूयॉर्क. FATF ग्रिलिस पाकिस्तान. UK जायंट एयरक्राफ्ट कैरियर प्लस इंडिया कोकन शक्ति. इंडिया कोकन शक्ति. एक्सरसाइज. CEO टारगेट ओलंपिक पोडियम स्कीम PK गर्ग. CEO ऑफ टारगेट ओलंपिक पोडियम स्कीम PK गर्ग. क्वाड्रिलैटरल फोरम UAE US India Israel. क्वाड्रिलैटरल फोरम UAE US India Israel. वर्ल्ड जस्टिस प्रोजेक्ट रूल्स लॉ इंडेक्स 2021 इंडिया 79th, डेनमार्क टॉप. वर्ल्ड जस्टिस प्रोजेक्ट रूल्स ऑफ लॉ इंडेक्स इंडिया 79th, डेनमार्क टॉप. ग्लोबल मीडिया एंड इंफॉर्मेशन लिटरेसी वीक 24 to 31 October. ग्लोबल मीडिया एंड इंफॉर्मेशन लिटरेसी वीक 24 to 31 October. MP राशन आपके द्वार. NABS आरक्षण सब्सिडी ऑफ नाबार्ड. संरक्षण NAB संरक्षण सब्सिडी ऑफ नाबार्ड. अल्केमिस्ट पाउलो कोएलो. सत्यजीत रे लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड 52nd इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल. इस्तावन सेजबो मार्टिन. सत्यजीत रे लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड 52nd. सत्यजीत रे लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड 52nd इस्तावन मार्टिन. पारस एयरस्पेस एग्रीमेंट विथ यूरोपियन ड्रोन मैन्युफैक्चरर Fixer to receive technical and operational support. UN COP26 Russia not attended. Realme KL Rahul ambassador. Snow Leopard Day 15th October. Ministry of Earth Science launched the Air Quality Early Warning System. Decision to support system for Delhi NCR region. System developed by Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology. श्रीलंका टेस्ट क्रिकेट कैंपेन बंडुलु वर्नापुरा. श्रीलंका टेस्ट क्रिकेट कैप्टन बंडुला Varnapura. NABARD 650 crore Government of India rural infrastructure project in Assam. NABARD 650 crore Government of India rural infrastructure in Assam. Shri Dhanvantari Generic Medicine Store, Chhattisgarh. Shri Dhanvantari Generic Medicine Store scheme, Chhattisgarh. Thank you so much for watching this video.